Okay, this is a dog that I can tolerate. You see this dog? Look at it. Look at him. He's Smokey. I don't know if you can see him or not. Come here. Come here. Okay, that's a little better. Look, Smokey. Look at the camera and your little small puppiness. Oh, God. You're so cute. Sweet, merciful Jesus. What are you even doing? I don't understand. Don't eat my phone. You silly puppy. What's happening? What are you doing? Can I have my leg back? That'd be nice. Oh. Come love me. Come love me. Come love me. Come love me. No, no, love me. Love me. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is one of the very few dogs that I won't kill. Because look at it. Look at that puppy. It's so cute and soft. Oh God, it's so soft. Yeah. Oh God. Oh, what sweet Jesus. Oh God, it's eating my hair. Oh dear God, it's eating my hair. What is happening? Why? Why is this happening? I don't understand. Oh gosh. Oh no. No, I need that. I need that. Okay, well, just thought you guys be proud of me. Bye.